Good morning, guys. How are you? Today is a cleaning day. My next reservation is the 15th. What is today? It's not even the 10th, it's the 9th. Okay. I got some cleaning to do, buckaroo. Ew, all of my manners. I'll show you guys. There's a few deaders. There's actually enough I could put in a bag. There's all my manners. Let's see if they're hungry. Some of them are eating. I think it's the older ones. Nope, they're all eating. Get a little baggie, like I said, and put them in there. And sell them for $1. 10 frozen ones for $1. I'm gonna fit 10 in here. I look tired today. So it's May 9th, and they're catching like wipers and white bass and walleye. We haven't had any people tell us they've caught a catfish, I don't think. There's 10 minnows. Okay, I got that chore done. Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop! I was gonna throw you guys in the fish pile. Now with the worms, and I rinse them out and sell them for $4. For whose are those? Bet you that goes to Grenada. Granada. Broke all of them. Now I'm washing the rugs and bath mats. Oh. Using my new washer. Let's see. There it goes. Get all these. I've been here for a few days, so it's kind of dirty. I try to clean these rugs at least once a month, and it's muddy outside right now, so I think I just washed them not too long ago. I have showers to clean today. Be a busy bee today. Hi guys, I've been gardening. This is a red bell pepper, a little combination of those mini bell peppers. My yellow bell pepper, jalapeno, tomato. That's a cherry tomato. That's a big boy. These are onions. I'm gonna go show Snapchat our vending machine really quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Hold, please. Bill got all kinds of stuff for the vending machine. You guys could go through it with me. We got some mac and cheeses, some beefaroni, some pads, tampons, Pop-Tarts. Snacks on the go, tuna. Ooh, that actually looks good. Those. That bottom one is turkey and dressing, beef stew, and then this one is turkey and dressing too. And this one is beef stew. And some Quaker oats, some chili, some maple and brown sugar oatmeals, some chili, toothbrushes, first aid kits, Tylenol, sunscreen, and that is yacht. We're gonna figure this out. Hey guys, I got most of my cleaning done. I mowed my grass in the front. I mowed a little over there. Bill put some stuff in the vending machine. He got some chips up there, some Pop-Tarts, some Chewies, and then we have some canned soups and stuff that'll go over here. Yep. I have piles over pick up from a couple weeks ago that I I'll hair up my booty, and yeah. I need to come over here and see if there's mice. I haven't checked in a little while. See if it just grow and travel over here. This would be nice. This would be a nice little area. Oh, I see a mouse and another mouse and another mouse. That's gross. And another mouse. Those are big fuckers. Guess I know what I'm gonna go get me some rubber gloves and get those off the traps and reset it. Okay. And it's all by fields. We're around fields, so you're gonna have mice. We have mice in our camper. It's just you need to control them. You can't just let them take over. Control those little bastards. I funny. I so funny. I so funny. I so funny. take this squeezed peanut butter over and yeah, probably need a trash bag or a box or something to put them in. Put them in the Pop-Tart box. And if you leave mouse traps with the dead mouse on them for too long, the other mice will go and eat them, and it looks like that's what happened here. That's disgusting. It's a little on the gross side, if you ask me. Camper needs a good cleaning. Okay, I think that's all. Yuck. I'll leave that open, let it air out. Let it air out. I washed my rugs. Did my bathroom. I'm gonna go outside and sit down, get me a little sun on my legs. Dinghies in a little while. The driver, I was the reason there was mascara on the shirt. If I don't know where they lived, I was leaving. You see me running in the rear. I tied my hot tea touch and the key in 3. So you guys know when you have like toddlers and you're doing laundry and they constantly mess with your clothes? That's them. And they take them outside. My underwear are outside in the mud. My shorts are outside in the mud. My toothbrush was outside in the mud last week. They constantly have to have something in their mouth. Constantly! Like my heel. Hi, Trixie Ruru. Hi, Trixie Ruru, Grammy's girl. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. What? What, jealous? Hi, handsome. I love you. Grammy loves Theodore, huh? Grammy loves Theo. Who just peed? Chewy, that better not have freaking been you. That wasn't you. That was a baby. You want me to spank you? Huh? You want Grammy to spank you? I will spank you. I spank him. I panking 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 him. Him is a good boy, yeah. My princess is the bestest ever. Am I handsome? Let's clean up that pee. Maybe you guys are gonna go outside tonight? Huh? We'll start a fire and you guys can play outside, I think. Huh. I'm just chilling watching my murder shows. As much as I watch them, I'm not really scared. It's never really crossed my mind that something's gonna happen to me. But I guess nobody sits, well, some people probably do, sits there and thinks about it all the time. Oh, I freaking mowed and I'm getting a headache. This happened last year too. Guys, the night is coming to an end. Hubby brought me chicken. He ate fish and macaroni and green beans. And I'm gonna wait for a little while. I don't know what time it is. I've been cleaning. Oh man, it's already 7 o'clock. I guess I'll eat in a little while because we'll close at 8. I didn't realize it was that late. He's gonna move his HVAC stuff over here. I'm kind of excited to go to sleep because my back hurts today, and I like sleep out here, especially when it's windy. It rocks me to sleep. My hummy's so macho. I love him.
Oh, whatever. You don't even like me.
Shut up, stupid. Dumb gay.
Why you don't like me?
Okay, guys. Bill's putting stuff in. The ramen noodles fit perfect. That's nice. We'll finish this tonight, and hopefully I'll get more than one camper. Oh, I have 2. But anyways. Mm-hmm. Oh, I must have already got it. But this guy rented a spot, and he washed off his car with the water, and the water here is very, very hard. And I was like, you might not want to do that. Your car is gonna look worse than what it did before. And he just kept on, so I don't know what to tell him. I was going to do the damn pads. Oh yeah, everything's fitting nice.
Mm-hmm.
Are you keeping track of how much we are putting in here?
No, not really. Look how these fit in there. They're kind of big for that. They can fit over there.
Yeah. Yeah, and I say $1 a tampon. Put a few in there so they don't have to worry about coming back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we'll try it to make sure everything works. Cool. Nice.
I'd like to have those over there with this, but
Mm-hmm.
oh, that's really gonna work. You know that.
He's programming a price in. Good morning, guys. I was editing the video and realized that I didn't close out, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Smile and make someone else smile.